Alright, this is David with Dippel Plumbing. We are doing the camera inspection for the sewer system of 4848 Stanhope. And right now we're in the cast iron building drain. Pushed as far up as possible. The camera will go is right here. If I pull back, this right here is the kitchen drain. Here's another Y connection. The cast iron is pretty scaled, but I don't see any cracks or anything of concern in this part. This here is another Y connection. This part of the pipe here, this section seems to have a crack or belly in it. Most likely a crack. It takes some push to get over it. Spot that's holding water here. And there's also another Y connection right on the top of the pipe here. Clean off the lens. As I pull back, other than that spot, I don't see any real cracks or breaks in the cast iron. This here is the cast iron clay connection. There are a few roots. Recommend probably just cabling those out. This here is a 6-inch clay. Looks in good condition. Pulling out into the yard trap. And we're going to push out to MSD main. Lens cleaned off here. Trying to get this lens clean. This here at around 8 feet out from the trap, there seems to be broken pipe. And this here, as far as the camera will push, it goes off into a void in the pipe where it's broken at 10 feet. Now I'll pull back out of the trap. This here's the house, front of the house. this flag here is where the crack in the broken pipe is at in the clay.